Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first ever video for YouTube of a makeup tutorial, and pretty much what I'm going to show you how to do today is how to get glowy skin. This is like super glow because we've got layers and layers of glow on here, and I'm going to show you how to do it. All you got to do is stay tuned and check it out. Yay! So I've already primed my face. You can check out one of my videos of how I prepped my skin. I'm going to start off with this product, which is the MAC Strobe Cream, and I'm just going to put a little teaspoon, not even a teaspoon, maybe a pea size of my fingers, and then I'm going to focus the strobe cream in these areas and like rub that in. Any extra strobe cream I usually put on my décolleté. Décolleté? Anyway, my collarbones. Just need like a pea-sized amount because a little goes a long way. And let's just dab this here in the nose and the chin, and then we are going to go for the décolleté. So we're just going to check a little bit down there. Focus this cream on the outer parts, like not too much in the forehead and the center. Like center of your nose is fine, and your chin. The next product is the MAC Studio Water Weight, and I'm using the color NC35. I love this foundation because it's so sheer and buildable that it can let your skin shine through as well as be buildable, so you get more coverage. And it also feels very light. It doesn't feel like you're wearing too much makeup. I actually really like the glow, the natural glow that it gives, and the fact that it's not so thick that it looks like natural skin. And the best thing about this product is it has like a little squeeze tube. So I just like take that directly to my face. Make sure you are on an angle. I'm just using a stippling brush just to like spread it around. And I'm just going to go in with a beauty blender, and I'm just going to dab and blend that foundation out so there's no streaks and it's all just like pressed into the skin. I'm gonna go in with some concealer. So I've almost out of this. This is one of my favorite concealers. I probably need to buy a new one. This is from MAC, and it's the Studio Finish Concealer, and I'm using NC20. Down the bridge of the nose, forehead, around the mouth, around the nose, and any little things that you need to cover. The next product is actually a product from Bench, which is a Philippines company. They're kind of a little bit all over Asia at the moment, and this is just like a contouring stick. It's called the Contouring Stick Crayon, and this is the color Suede. So I'm just gonna like chuck it on. Make sure we've got some even Stevens there. Down the bridge. And up on the forehead, and the temples, under the lip, a little bit on the jawline. The next product is also from Bench. This is the Bench highlighter. And this is Bench Paint Pot highlighter. So this is just going to go in the high points of your cheeks. Yeah. Cupid's bow. And then we just want to blend and blend. So I'm going to start with the lighter shade first and then move towards the contour. So everything's blended out. We haven't got any harsh lines going on. We've already got a glow going on. So what we need to do is now set certain parts of your face. So what I'm using is Studio Mac Fix or Fix Plus or whatever, Studio Fix. And this is an NW20, a little brush here from Real Techniques. And I'm just gonna pick up a little bit of this product. So that's what it looks like. I'm just gonna focus this in the areas that need a little bit more coverage or need to be set. So this would be the under eye area. And I'm just lightly putting it on around the nose. I'm also going to just set the eyelid. And then I'm just gonna, a little bit of the forehead. Around the mouth as well, just to set some of that product. So very lightly. We don't want to go too heavy. We don't want to go too dark. Next product that is going to give like a very sunny glow is one of my favorite products of all time, and it's the Thin Lizzy 6-in-1. This is very readily available in New Zealand, and it's probably one of my favorite, it probably is my favorite bronzer of all time. I've had so many of these. This is what it looks like. And I love it because you cannot make mistakes with it. It comes with a kabuki brush. And I'm just going to go in and contour, well not contour, but bronze my face. Now because my skin is a little bit moist, the product's going to really pick up on it. But all you need to do is make sure you're blending out. Studio Mac Fix, and then I've just got a contouring brush, and I'm just going to go in and just re-sculpt this contour. And then I'm just going to go back with my kabuki brush, blend those two products together. I'm now going to go back to my Thin Lizzy powder, and I'm going to use it as an eyeshadow as well. So I'm just using a crease brush, I guess. And this is just going to go straight into my crease. We still have a little bit of product left on my little brush here. I'm going to pick up a little bit more, and I'm going to go down my nose. So now I need to go in and fix my brows because they're a little bit cray cray at the moment. So what I'm going to use is a brow gel. This one is called Maybelline Brow Drama. Now this is really old. I've had it for a while. I should probably check it out and buy a new gel, but any gel that you have will work. So I'm not going to put any product in my brows because I want to go as natural as possible, but if you want to go in and work on your brows, you're more than welcome to. And I'm just going to feather these. I'm all about the feathers these days. Yes. Oh, love it. My brows are a little bit cray cray at the moment because I haven't plucked them for a little while. But you know, I get the cray cray brow oils out of it, so I'm enjoying it right now. Having the cray brows. Soft and Gentle by MAC. And it looks like this. I'm just going to take a eyeshadow brush, and this is going to go directly on the center of my lids. We're going to chuck a little bit in the inner corners as well. They're really rough. We don't want to we're not looking for perfection, we're just looking for natural. And then right under the brow bone. A little fan brush here. And we're going to highlight cheekbones. I already got a highlighter underneath the skin. This is just gonna... I'm using the CoverGirl Lash Blast Volume, and it's in waterproof. Let's have a look there. The reason why I have it in waterproof is because waterproof lasts longer, it holds a curl way better. Let's just sort that brow out. So I'm just going to go ahead and curl. Now I'm just going to go in with a tinted lip balm. Any lip balm's fine. You can use a lipstick. I wanted to use Jubilee, but I cannot find it. So the tinted lip balm's just going to have to work. A little bit of colour, a little bit of gloss. Not too shabby. Next step, it's very important that your mascara is dry, because if it's not, it's going to water. Now I'm going to use MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus. This is one of my favorite MAC products, and what I do, because I just like set this area and this area and this area, is that I literally put my hand on my middle of my face because I don't want to be disco ball, and I just spritz the sides. Now what I love about this product is that it blends everything together. So that contour, that powder, the highlighter that's on there, even the foundation, it's gonna like merge them all together and make them look like real skin. I'm just drying it off. So this is the finished look. It's really natural and it's glowy. That Fix Plus is still going to dry a little bit, but you can see. I look so like fabulous right now. Like disco ball fabulous. Like just bling, bling, bling.